Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as promised in my add-ons video that I just posted, I'm about to share with you how I decided to customize my FabFitFun Spring 2022 box. So if you want to check out everything I picked in terms of my customization options, definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be new, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to reselling as well. So if these kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos, and also please consider hitting that subscribe button too. Alright guys, so of course I'm super excited about this time of year. Spring 2022 is probably my most favorite season for FabFitFun next to the fall season. So I'm really excited to kind of get a fresh new start, to have more of a warm season type of vibe in these items. So I'm really excited to share with you guys the products that I have my eye on and which ones I selected for my customization options. So if you haven't checked out my add-ons video, I did have a fair amount of add-ons that I'm probably going to purchase. So I kind of take you through my thoughts on some of the add-ons offered this season. So definitely check that video link down below. So if you are new to FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription service. It's the only service I'm a member of. And this video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. None of these items will be gifted to me. These are items that I just purchased on my own because I truly love them and I love the subscription service. So if you want to check out FabFitFun for yourself, definitely consider using my referral link down below when you first sign on because you will save $10. Okay, so I'm going to take you through my customization choices, and as you guys are probably aware, I'm an annual member. So right now, customization and the add-on sales are currently open. They will close shortly though, so make sure you get all your selections in before it closes. If you are a seasonal member or new to FabFitFun, you will have the opportunity to shop add-ons and to make some customization choices too, but your dates will be a little bit different, and I will include all of that information in the description box down below. Alright, so because I'm an annual member, I am able to customize essentially my entire box. I think they maybe throw in one surprise item usually, but beyond that, you really can pick every single item in your box, which is kind of nice. So I'm going to take you through each of the choices and kind of let you know in each grouping what I have my eye on and what's currently in my cart. Alright, let's just jump into customization choice number 1. So this tends to be kind of the blockbuster products for the season. And this season, you know, I think it was average. I don't think it's the worst in terms of choices for customization 1. It's definitely not the best though. And there are a couple of repeats. So here are some selections that they offer, and just so you guys are aware, on the website at least, the order of these choices and the selection changes a little. For instance, if something sells out, they'll take it out from the website, and the order sometimes changes. So I grabbed these screenshots at the time that I actually did my selections, which was last night. So things may have changed in terms of order and offerings, but in general, I think these are the main products that are featured. So first up was this Alice and Olivia daisy print duffel bag and bucket hat. So this duffel bag was definitely offered, I think, in last year's box, and the bucket hat was offered, I believe, in an add-on sale. So these are repeats. I do own the duffel bag. I honestly have not used it. I have not been traveling much, obviously, during the pandemic, so I haven't used it. I checked out the quality though, which I think was great. I think it's so cute. So if I didn't have this already, I absolutely would recommend picking this up. Alice Olivia, as you know, is a great brand, retails for pretty decent price points, so I think this is a great value. I'm not going to pick it up just because I already have the duffel, but if you don't, definitely recommend that as one of your selections. The next option here is a Christoph Robin regenerating mask. This looks nice, but you know, I really have some skincare favorites already, so I don't really want to look into getting a whole lot more, at least right now. So I'm going to pass on that. Okay, so the item that I actually decided to select for this customization choice is this Caravan Home Lazy Susan made out of wood. And I think this is going to be perfect on my kitchen island, and I'm going to be putting the most used items like salt and pepper, olive oil, maybe some utensils on it. I think it'd be beautiful, as you can see in this picture. If there's a reed diffuser on it too, I think that's gorgeous. So I think it's going to be really fun to have in my kitchen. So I'm going to select this choice for sure. And then I'm also going to add an extra customized product, I think, and that's going to be this L-Space Coastal Cooler. It's this really cute pink coral type of cooler bag. I probably don't need more of these, but our family uses these a ton because we take it out on the weekends. It's nice that it's insulated, so you can put wet things, water bottles, drinks in there. I just use it all the time for travel, so I just really like that fresh pop of color. I think it's going to be a really nice addition to our cooler bags. So that's going to be going into my cart as an extra customized product. And then the other choices here, as you can see, are these robes from Morgan Lane. It's the Alley robe, and they have the different sizes, and they have a navy colorway and the cream kind of pink colorway. I really think this is beautiful, but honestly, I don't really wear robes, so I'm not going to be picking this up, but I think it's just a beautiful choice, honestly, if you're looking for a robe. Okay, so that was customization 1. So the choices were okay. I would say I don't think I was blown away by them, but you know, some of those would probably work. So for customization 2, these are the choices that I selected from. So the first was this Yoga Wake Up 3 months, I guess, audio guided app subscription, which is kind of neat. I haven't gone into yoga at all, so I don't know. I probably should try it one of these days, but I don't think I'm going to select that just because I haven't really tried it out before. The next item I am probably going to select, and that's the Bandu stemless acrylic wine glass set, and it has some glitter specks in the glass. I think this is just acrylic, of course. It's not regular glass, but I love these stemless wine glasses, especially for casual get-togethers or just day-to-day. I think it's just super fun and nice, and I do like myself a good glass of wine now and again, but also I think this will be good for some of the kids too, you know, with sparkling apple juice or, you know, just juice. I think it's really fun with these glasses, especially if they're acrylic. I think they're kid-friendly, obviously. So I think this is just a kind of fun throw-in that I'm going to decide to include probably as an extra product. And then the next choice was this Caudalie Oil Control Moisturizer, which looks nice. But again, I'm not really looking to kind of try out too many new skincare products. So I'm trying to kind of work through what I have right now. And then there's this Pharmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer. Same thing, looks like an interesting product, which I'm sure is very nice, but just not looking to try so many other new types of products for skincare now. The other choices here include the Splendid Faux Fur Slippers. Super cute, but you know, I have my fair share of house slippers. I just love my UGG house slippers. I think they're great quality. I've used mine for years, and I have a couple new ones that I restocked. So I'm going to pass on these, but I think it's just a beautiful, fuzzy looking slipper. The one other item I am going to select from customization choice 2 is this Kate Spade Keaton Pouch Wristlet. So if you caught my add-ons video, I did say how I really love neutrals in general for bags, shoes, outfits. I'm a neutral person. But in places where people don't really see that often, I love that just splash of pop of color. So I really love the idea of having these pops of color in places that are a little bit hidden. So although I just love a neutral look, overall, you know, places like in my handbag or socks, it's nice to have this fun pop, kind of brightens things up a little bit. Even if it's only me that's seeing them, it's just really fun. So I just love this pink color. That's why I'm gravitating toward this. I have a ton of these little pouches, but they're super versatile. I hope my phone fits in this, and then I just put some, kind of like a mini clutch. I'll put a card holder and probably a key fob in there. It's just fun to kind of grab and go. So I cannot resist that beautiful pink, so I would probably pick that up. And as you can see here, the other choice was this mystery surprise. So I've never tried these mystery surprises. I'm not really sure if that just means they're going to pick from the selections that they offer in customization 2, or if it's a totally random surprise. So if you've selected this before, let me know. It's kind of fun to see if it's a mystery, but I'm also pretty nervous just to select that. So I haven't done it yet, but I think it's kind of a fun option. All right, so moving on to customization 3, I probably liked the most items in this category. The first is a pair of sunglasses from Privé Revaux. It's called the Juliet. So I've talked about this line before. I own many Privé Revaux pieces of eyewear, and this is a line that was started by Jamie Foxx and just some of his colleagues, and they make really trendy looking affordable glasses. So I have a lot of their blue light blockers. I also have a lot of their sunglasses. So I really love the line. They're super affordable, really good quality for the price point. I'm not going to pick this up just because I have a lot of them already, but I think it's a good option if you're looking for a really fun, kind of casual pair of sunglasses. The next item was from Kate Spade. So this one I do have in my cart. So I'm a sucker for stud or large stud earrings like this. So I really like the Kate Spade offerings. In fact, I intentionally wore this Kate Spade faux pearl stud that was offered in previous season's boxes that I really like wearing. This is a kind of opal glitter type of stud, which I think will be equally pretty. And I just love that little bit of sparkle. So I am almost for sure going to get that one. The next option that I do currently have in my cart too is from Erin Condren. It's a design stationery bundle. So it comes with some greeting cards and a few of her beautiful pens as well. So I've talked about Erin Condren before. I previously used Erin Condren life planners every single year as my planner. This year I decided to switch it up a little bit, and I have a couple planner videos that I've put out if you want to check them out. But I do love Erin Condren quality. I love her pens, and I just thought it would really be a fun set, and who couldn't use extra kind of gift cards or greeting cards? So I'm probably going to give that one a try. I just kind of really like stationery. And then there's a Gaiam Ultimate Core Toning Kit. So listen, I probably need this thing because I need to work on my core. If you have any good ideas, let me know. My friend gifted me this like stealth core trainer, which looks really fun. So I'm going to try it out. But I got to work on my core. After having 4 kids, man, it's just really bad. So I really do need to work on this, but I'm not going to pick this. I don't think choosing something like this is the most fun thing to pick from FabFitFun. So I'm not going to select this bundle, but you know, that's something that I definitely need to focus on more this year. All right, so the third product in this customization grouping that I'm going to select is this Kate Somerville Exfoliate Exfoliating Treatment. So I've talked about this before. I picked up several restocks of this through FabFitFun, but I really like this formulation. For the upcharge of $10 for this thing is pretty good in my opinion. So I'm going to pick another one of these up. I think it's a great exfoliator. So yeah, definitely check that out if you haven't already. And then the final choice here was this umbrella from Shoshana. Another really good classic piece, I would say, but you know, I just don't need anything like that right now. But definitely something to consider if you need a new umbrella. All right, so moving on to customization choice 4. So these options, they're pretty good, I would say. I have a couple of favorites. The first option here was this Mantra Band cuff bracelet in silver. So it's a really great inspirational quote there, and I think it's a cute cuff. I don't really need to add silver bracelets right now. I'm definitely more of a gold lover, so I'm just gonna pass on that, but I think it's a fun choice. The next choice here was from Josie Marin, so I definitely would consider this. I own this exact option in Sweet Citrus. I love this scent. It's one of my favorite scents actually from her, and it's just the whipped argan oil body butter. Love this body butter. I'm not going to pick it up because I have a ton of it already, but definitely consider trying that out if you're looking for a good body butter. The next thing was this spoon rest in gray. I kind of am considering this. I don't really have a spoon rest, honestly, but then I think, you know, I don't really need one. I tend to just rest my spoon on the cutting board that I have out or a pan or something. It's just something else to be sitting on your counter that you have to wash separately, so probably am not going to get it, but you know, I don't have a good spoon rest, I'll say that. The item that is already in my cart is a no-brainer for me. It's the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. And if you had a chance to check out my best purchases from 2021 that I just released, I will link it down below, of course. But in that video, I talk about this product, and I honestly didn't have any idea it was going to come out in FabFitFun this season. But that was really one of my best purchases from 2021. I purchased mine on Amazon, and I use it on my daughter's hair. So I think it's really gentle for them. It works well. It smells nice. So I'm definitely going to stock up. I think this is probably a smaller version, but this is a pretty pricey product, in my opinion, for kind of a drugstore type of product. So for $7, I think it's a great deal. And there are other products in the line they're offering. There's It's a 10 Coily Leave-In, and It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In plus Keratin. So I'm probably just going to go for the original version, but these are other options too if it suits your hair type better. Definitely check those things out. They also have the mystery surprise as well in this one. Okay, so the next customization grouping, I'm going to pick this Gemelli Jenna clip 2-pack. It's this kind of hair, kind of banana clip look. Actually, I'm not really sure these are called banana clips, but they're hair clips, and my hair is getting longer, of course. My daughter's hair is quite long, so these are always super versatile. Just kind of toss your hair up in a really easy, quick style. So I'm going to put that in my cart. The other items just didn't really, I don't know, draw me to them. The first was this Even Prime Dark Circle Reducer Eye Serum. I mean, I could use this for sure, but I don't know if I want to try brands that I really hadn't heard of before. And then there's this Earth Harbor Glow Juice Mask. Again, I think it'll be a fun product, but you know, I really have to minimize all the skincare stuff I'm getting. So I'm just going to pick the hair clips for this selection. I think there's no question that I will get use out of those. All right, so the next customization group, they brought back a lot of their favorites from other boxes. So the first is this Millie jewelry case. I did purchase this in a previous selection from a previous season's box, but I haven't used it yet. The quality, I will say, is good. It's nice and compact, and it has a lot of organization, which I really like about it. So I think that's a good consideration. There's a Butter London Teddy Girl eyeshadow palette, as you can see here. Love these colors, love the neutral look of them, but again, tons of makeup already. I'm not going to purchase this one, but I think it's a really nice palette. There's this London Town Humankind and Ico bundle, which they kind of threw together some of their favorite products to consider. And then there's this new company topical, I guess, vitamin C type of serum, which is something that you might want to check out as well. And then finally in this grouping, there's a couple other selections of bundles. There's a Winky Lux London Town bundle, an Ico Winky Lux and Daily Concepts bundle. There's a mystery surprise, and then there is this Coach Open Circle necklace and Tea Rose stud set. So in this final customization grouping, I just didn't know what to pick. I don't really want any of these things. So I think the best selection for me is probably this Coach set, because I don't think I'm probably going to wear the pendant, although I may try it out. But the earrings, again, I love these oversized kind of looking studs. So I probably will use this. I don't necessarily think that I would go for it if I had other selections that I liked, but I'm probably going to select this. I know this is a repeat as well, and I had my eye on it before, so I think now's the time I'm going to give it a try. So that's what I picked for this customization grouping. All right, so I think those are all the customization groups that I could choose from, which I think is the whole box. And then, of course, you have options for refills and boost products. I looked through all the selections. I really don't think there's anything there that I really have to have, so I passed on all those things. So right now, as you can see, I added on quite a bit of extra customized products. I'm probably going to force myself to weed through a little bit of them, but I think there are pretty good selections this season. I was overall happy with it. You know, I can't wait to check them out in person. Comment down below, let me know what are your favorites from this season's box and ones that you think I should check out. Otherwise, don't forget to check out my add-ons video that I just put out, and stay tuned for my upcoming season's unboxing, when I actually will show you guys what I decided to pick up from add-ons and show you all my customized products in detail as well. I hope you're staying safe and healthy. Thanks so much for watching another video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.